Austin homeowners are no strangers to rising energy costs. With long, hot summers and fluctuating temperatures throughout the year, keeping your home comfortable can put serious strain on your cooling and heating systems. If your windows are outdated, drafty, or single pane, they may be one of the biggest sources of energy waste in your home. Upgrading to modern replacement windows is one of the most effective ways to reduce energy loss, improve indoor comfort, and lower monthly utility bills in Austin. Reducing heat transfer in hot summers. Austin summers are known for intense sunlight and high temperatures. Older windows often allow significant solar heat to enter your home, forcing your air conditioner to work harder to maintain a cool indoor environment. Modern replacement windows are built with advanced glass technologies designed to limit heat transfer. Double or triple pane glass creates insulating layers between panes, while low emissivity coatings reflect infrared heat away from your home. This means your interiors stay brighter without overheating, and your cooling system doesn't have to run constantly to compensate. Eliminating air leaks and drafts. Energy waste doesn't just happen through the glass. Small gaps around window frames can allow conditioned air to escape and outdoor air to enter. In Austin's climate, losing cooled air during summer leads to higher energy consumption and inconsistent indoor temperatures. Modern replacement windows are designed with precision-engineered frames and advanced weather stripping to create an airtight seal when closed. Professional installation further ensures that insulation and sealing materials are properly applied, minimizing unwanted air infiltration. Supporting consistent indoor temperatures. If certain rooms in your Austin home feel hotter than others, inefficient windows may be to blame. Sun-facing rooms often experience excessive heat gain, while poorly insulated windows can create temperature imbalances throughout the house. Modern replacement windows help regulate indoor temperatures by reducing thermal transfer. This creates a more even and comfortable environment from room to room, reducing the need to constantly adjust your thermostat. Lowering HVAC system strain. When your windows allow heat to enter or conditioned air to escape, your HVAC system must work overtime to compensate. Over time, this increased workload can lead to higher maintenance costs and shorter equipment lifespan. Energy-efficient replacement windows reduce the strain on your heating and cooling systems. By maintaining a better thermal barrier, they allow your HVAC system to operate more efficiently, potentially extending its life and reducing repair expenses. Blocking harmful UV rays. Austin's abundant sunshine can also lead to interior fading. Modern replacement windows with low E coatings help block harmful ultraviolet (UV) rays that damage flooring, furniture, and artwork. This added protection preserves your interior finishes while still allowing natural light to brighten your home. Improving overall energy performance. Many modern replacement windows are ENERGY STAR certified and specifically designed to perform well in warm climates like Austin's. Features such as insulated vinyl or fiberglass frames further enhance thermal performance. By combining high-performance glass, tight seals, and durable materials, these windows significantly reduce energy waste over time. A long-term investment in efficiency. While replacement windows require an upfront investment, the long-term savings can be substantial. Lower energy bills month after month help offset the installation cost, and improved efficiency increases your home's resale value. In a competitive housing market like Austin's, energy-efficient upgrades are highly attractive to potential buyers. A smarter way to reduce energy waste in Austin. If your energy bills continue to climb or your home struggles to stay cool during the summer, your windows may be part of the problem. Modern replacement windows offer advanced technology that reduces heat transfer, eliminates drafts, and supports consistent indoor comfort. For Austin homeowners looking to reduce energy waste and create a more efficient home, upgrading to modern replacement windows is a practical and rewarding solution that delivers benefits year-round.